So I'll be showing you how to use this H041 standalone unit from Seicane. This was not going to replace your OEM or aftermarket radio in your vehicle. It's a standalone unit, so it works independently of that, but it does use the audio output through different ways to get audio into your existing vehicle. So this one does Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if you don't want to spend money to get a whole new radio installation, wiring, and the whole works, this works great for that. You just a standalone unit, you put up on your dash, you set it up, and you're good to go. So that's where we'll mount it, and then I'll be running the cables on the side here down to the side of my radio, and then down. So my vehicle has the auxiliary button input down here, as well as my power for my unit. So that's what I'll be using. So again, I'll just run them down to the side here and down to where they need to be at. So I'll start by plugging in the power, and then I'll show you here. So for the power, you have the connector here with your cigarette lighter, the USB-C that goes to the unit for direct power to it. You have this one here is a female input, and that's labeled GPS. So if you decide to get a GPS puck for your maps, that's you plug that one into. And it does have an extra USB for additional power. So if you want to plug in your phone, because it's going to be wireless, it might drain your battery to the point where you need to recharge, you can use that. Otherwise, that's all for the power there. It does include, again, the auxiliary input male here, so that will be connected for audio to your factory radio. And of course has the backup camera, which is this guy here. So what you're gonna do is plug this in, and it only goes one way. It goes in like that, and then this goes to the back of the unit for the audio video input. And then of course on the other side of the camera, the back side of the power cable here, you have the red cable. These red cables you're supposed to connect it to a power source, and the best one to do is your reverse lights power. So whenever you put in reverse, it automatically kicks on the camera, and you want to get a backup camera directly on this unit as well. Just take a few seconds. There you go. There's a logo. Here it should bring up to the menu screen. Let's put it up. Your main menu. So you got the recorder here. This is your basically your dash cam access here. So it shows you what it's looking at. Hit the home button there to go home. Back to your main menu. Replay is where you replay any videos you have saved on your SD card, and you will need one to be able to store videos in it. Mobile internet is where you access. Mobile internet is where you access Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and as well as if you want to play music over Bluetooth, that's where you access that. You hit the home button again. Audio out, this is where you're going to be setting what audio you want to use for the output to your factory speakers. So you have Bluetooth, which is the best option. You have auxiliary, which is the one I show you in the back for a wire connection. Then you have the FM modulator, and how this one works is you set this to a specific station, then you set up your OEM ready to that exact radio station, so that transmit from this over to your factory radio. Last is the speaker, so it has a built-in speaker. You can hear there. You can use the built-in speaker if you don't have Bluetooth or auxiliary in your OEM radio. So those are your 4 options. Best one is always going to be Bluetooth. If you don't have that, use your auxiliary. If you don't have that, then you use your FM. And if you don't have any of those, then use your built-in speaker. So those are your audio options. So if you don't have Bluetooth in your vehicle and you don't have auxiliary, your third option is to use the FM transmit. So what you're going to do is go into to your audio out, select FM transmit, and then tune into a station that there's nothing on a local station off, meaning if you choose 89.7 within your radio stations within your city or town, that there's nothing active in that station. I mean, there's nothing active. So therefore you can connect, send a signal from this to your factory radio, and you'll be able to get audio signal from this unit to this. So by doing that, you can actually get the audio again from here to your speakers, and have to use the built-in speaker, which is, it's a decent speaker, but for the best audio, again, you know, this is a third best option you can use. Right, so now we're going to be pairing our phone here to the screen. So first you're going to do is go into your Wi-Fi settings, and find the device name here. So go into your Wi-Fi and then select the device name, and then the manual instruction will give you a pairing code, so make sure you enter that. You need to connect to it. Once you've done that, then go to your Bluetooth as well. You need to have both, and same idea, go and find the device name. So there's my Bluetooth and there's a device name, so select that, and it will pick it up. You should pick it up. So go and I'll ask you for a code, so enter that. So just connect to it, and you hear that sound there, so you can see on the screen there, it's already picking up the signal. Make sure that that you have the your maps on, as you can see on the screen. So now I turn my maps on and it'll pick up my location. So that's that. So that's how you're gonna be connecting to it. So it's completely wireless. You can see there's my phone, and now we have it up on the screen. So now what we're gonna do is test it out. So here we have our main screen here. You can do the same thing. You can do the split screen here, or share screen. So you have your maps on the left, your music on the right. Or you can just go full screen for your maps. If you hit your music, it's gonna make your music your main screen and your maps the smaller one. So whichever you prefer, that's what you want to have. Then it's gonna show you everything here, like all your maps show. So let's do a quick search here. We'll go here, and it'll route you to where you need to go. So that works. It has the built-in mic, of course, so you can talk to it. Gas station. You can go and test out the backup camera. So once you have yours connected, you can connect it directly to your reverse lights. So therefore, it only sends power to the camera when you're in reverse. You can also connect it to a switch to a volt to be able to see the camera whenever you want, even when you're driving. So now to see the camera, we go back into recorder, and there's the backup camera view. It's gonna give you that. Then you want to switch camera views. You hit that little icon next to the home here, to the home button, and it's give you a split screen view from the front and the back. And if you want to go back to your front, you hit it again, it goes to your front. And again, you can go into your reverse view camera there. So that's the unit here. Great standalone unit. So if you're looking to add Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to your vehicle without having to completely replace your OEM radio, this is a great option for you. Again, this is the Seicane H041. I'll post the link down below so you can check it out. Lots of great features on it, so definitely check them out. Again, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.